Hello students, welcome to my channel Learning with Anosha. In today's video, we are going to learn that how we can add students to our Google Classroom. But before this, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of videos on my channel. So in previous video, we have created a class called OOP. So click on this OOP class. Now we have two methods to add student. One is this class code. You can see this class code here. Click on display. You can see this class code in a larger font. You can give this class code to your student and your student can add himself or herself in your class by using this class code. So first method is using class code and second is by using email ID of the student. To click on people, here is the button of people. Now you can see one tab is for teachers. You can add co-teachers, co-instructors with you here. They will have the same rights and permissions that you have, but they cannot delete your class. And next one is student option. Here you can add student by inviting them using their email ID. So click on invite student and give email ID of the student here. So I entered the email ID. I typed in fact the email ID and the correct email ID is displayed in search result. Click on that email ID and click on invite button. After this invitation, student will get an email and the join link will be sent to the student via that email. So here is the invitation, but it's showing that student is invited but not added in the class. So what will student get after this invitation? I have another browser and I have that email ID open here. So that email ID received an email. We are opening this email. So there is a join link. Click on join. Student will do all these steps. Okay? This is the student ID. So student will click on join and he or she will be successfully added in the classroom, and now the student can access the class material that you shared with the student. So this is the view that student will get. Now coming back to the teacher's view. So now you can see the student is successfully added in your classroom and it is not now pending invitation. So let's have another look about the second method. So in the second method, you will give this class code to your student so that he or she can join your class. So I'm going to copy this class code. In the second browser, I have the student email ID logged in. So student will go to Google Classroom and on that interface there is a plus button to join or create the class. So I will click this plus button and the student will click on join class, not create class, because you have given a course code to the student, a class code to the student, and student will join that class by using that code. So click on join class. He or she will paste that code to that text box and click on join. So after clicking on join, the student is successfully added to the class and now he or she can access his progress. He can see who is the teacher and other student, and he or she can see all the material you have uploaded to this classroom. So now you can see that the student is added. Okay, you can also remove the student from this classroom. So just click on remove and then the student will be removed, or you can also mute the student. That muted students cannot post comments or other statuses to your class. If someone annoying you, then you can mute that student. So either you can mute that student or you can remove that student if you don't want any student in your class. So just clicking on remove, you can remove that student from your class. So that is all about today's video. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe it, and have a nice day. Thank you so much.